The title of the chapter is Differential Calculus of Scalar and Vector Fields. First of all, I want to define scalar point function and scalar fields. Consider any region capital R in space and suppose that to each point P of x, y, z of the region in space, there corresponds a scalar denoted by phi of p or phi of xyz, then phi is called scalar point function over the region R, and the points of the region, comma, together with the functional values phi of that corresponding point forms a scalar field over R. If we take here P, then we want to calculate phi of P. If we take Q, then we want to find out phi of Q. Like that, this is said to form a scalar field over R. For example, in the region capital R, P is a point x, y corresponding to this P if there exists a scalar phi of P such that x square plus y square, then it forms two-dimensional scalar field. Similarly, if we consider one more region in space, P of xyz is the point coordinates, then phi of P equal to x square plus y square plus z square, then we say that it forms a three-dimensional scalar field. In physics, the mass density of the atmosphere, the temperature at each point in an insulated wall, the water pressure at each point in the ocean, the gravitational potential of the system of masses are examples of scalar fields. Now I am going to explain vector point function and vector fields. Similar to scalar point function and scalar fields, here also we are considering a region capital R in space. This region contains points. Suppose x, y, z be any point in this region corresponding to this point if there exists a unique vector f of p or f of x, y, z, then this f is called vector point function. The set of all points of the region R together with the set of all values of function f constitute a vector field over capital R. Next example 1. V bar equal to xi crown plus yj crown plus zk crown is a vector point function. Whenever I crown, j crown, k crown are appearing, it is a vector point function which associates with each point x, y, z a vector pointing away from the origin. This represents three-dimensional source field. Example 2. The electric field at any instant of time constitutes a vector field. Magnetic fields and gravitational fields are also provide examples of vector fields defined in space. Here, source field means f bar of x, y equal to xi crown plus yj crown. Sink field means f bar of x, y equal to minus xi crown minus yj crown. Observe, in sink field, I crown, j crown coefficients are negative. In source field, I crown, j crown coefficients are positive. Next definition, gradient of a scalar field. Before going to define scalar field, gradient of a scalar field, first I want to define Vector differential operator. Vector differential operator is denoted by del and is defined by dou by dou x of I crown, dou by dou y of j crown plus dou by dou z of k crown. Now I define gradient. Gradient is always defined for scalar point functions of the form f of x comma y comma z. That means phi of x comma y comma z means the function which is in terms of x, y, z is denoted by grad phi. Gradient of scalar point function is denoted by grad phi or grad of phi and is defined as grad phi equal to dou phi by dou x I crown plus dou phi by dou y j crown plus dou phi by dou z k crown. The gradient of a scalar point function is vector point function. Observe in the definition of gradient, we are seeing I crown, j crown, k crown. Whenever I crown, j crown, k crown are present, then we say that the function is vector point function. Here, grad phi equal to dou phi by dou x I crown plus dou phi by dou y j crown plus dou phi by dou z k crown. So, modulus of grad phi equal to root of coefficient of I crown whole square, that is dou phi by dou x whole square, coefficient of dou y j crown whole square, coefficient of k crown whole square. Root means whole power 1 by 2. Gradient of a constant scalar is a zero vector. Observe, if phi of x comma y comma z equal to 2, then grad phi equal to 2 differentiation with respect to x, 0 I crown, 2 differentiation with respect to y, 0 j crown, 2 differentiation with respect to z is 0 k crown. That is, grad phi of a constant is 0. Some consequences. First one, if phi of x comma y comma z is a scalar point function and r bar equal to xi crown plus yj crown plus zk crown, then show that d phi equal to grad phi dot dr bar. So, first of all, I want to calculate these two. Okay, already I know grad phi equal to dou phi by dou x I crown, dou phi by dou y j crown, dou phi by dou z k crown. If r bar equal to xi crown, yj crown plus zk crown, then small change in r bar equal to small change in x, small change in y, small change in z. Now we are going to do dot product between dou phi by dou r bar, that is a1 a2 dou phi by dou x into dx, b1 b2 dou phi by dou y dy, c1 c2 dou phi by dou z dz. But this is nothing but d phi. This is in your first semester. That's why this value equal to this one. Therefore, grad phi dot dr bar equal to d phi. Second one, the necessary and sufficient condition for a scalar point function phi of x comma y comma z to be constant is that grad phi equal to 0. This is necessary and sufficient condition. That's why we want to prove both cases. That means in case 1, I am going to take phi of xyz equal to c. So that means constant differentiation with respect to x is 0, constant differentiation with respect to y 0, constant differentiation with respect to z is also 0. Now dou phi by dou x I crown plus dou phi by dou y j crown plus dou phi by dou z k crown equal to 0 I crown, 0 j crown, 0 k crown. Substitute all values here, here. Then we are going to get 0. That means the LHS is grad phi only equal to 0. Case 2, take grad phi equal to 0 implies dou phi by dou x I crown plus dou phi by dou y j crown plus dou phi by dou z k crown is equal to 0. 0 means 0 I crown, 0 j crown, 0 k crown. Compare two vectors. How to compare? I crown coefficient equal to I crown coefficient. That means dou phi by dou x equal to 0, dou phi by dou y equal to 0, dou phi by dou z equal to 0. So whenever we are going to get 0 as answer, that means in the function phi there is no xyz. That means it is independent of xyz. Whenever the function does not contain xyz, it is a constant. Thank you.